We are in the chambers of Judge Guido Calabresi, a legal scholar born in Italy who was raised and educated in the United States and England. He is a former dean of the Yale Law School, and we are here for a precise reason. This January, New York City Opera, in collaboration with the Yiddish Theater and the Jewish Heritage Museum, are presenting a brand new opera entitled The Garden of the Finzi Continis, based, of course, on the novel by Giorgio Bassani. Not many people know, though, that Judge Calabresi's mother's name was Bianca Maria Finzi Contini. So the first question is, how is your mother, your family, and you related to the Finzi Contini's fictional family portrayed by Giorgio Bassani in his book?
The book is a book of fiction, and so the story in that book is not the story of my family, and it is not the story of any particular family. On the other hand, Bassani picked the name intentionally. He wrote the book in my father's family's house, which was a house that goes back to the 13th century. It has magnificent frescoes.
In Ferrara.
In Ferrara. And at that point, the name, because it connoted something in the Italian Jewish community, I said, "Mother, what does that mean? Why?" And she said, "Well, I think he wanted a name that connoted aristocracy." I said, "Decadence." She said, "It's the same thing." And of course, that also made some people in the family, like my mother, troubled by it because she didn't want to be in the public square. Additionally, she thought that this notion of a family that was too elegant to survive didn't appeal to her, because after all, we had fled, we had come to America, and here in America, she and my father, both, having come from being very well off, here we were without a penny, and they fought back, and both succeeded, and both were remarkable people. So it was that she didn't like. On the other hand, and here is a funny little story, I was in Florence with my wife, and and my parents had come on a trip, and we were spending a sabbatical, and had come to see us. I get a call from Bassani in Rome, who said, "Could I stop by? I'm on my way from Rome to Ferrara to see Massimo, my father." 4:30, the bell rings, and my mother said, "Let me answer." And so she goes and opens the door and says, "Sono Bianca Finzi Contini," which technically, her name.
Yes.
He steps backwards and says, remembering that my mother was a literature scholar, "Signora, a work of art is to be judged entirely in its quality as a work of art." And my mother says, "I agree. So let's talk about it, because I have some problems with that too." And they go into the library where we were staying, and an hour after they come back completely friendly, because my mother had done some literary criticism, but basically it's a great book.
Yes.
And she recognized it, and he accepted the criticism of the other, and they came out happy.
We are going to see each other again at
Yes.
the premiere of The Garden of the Finzi Continis here in New York in January. We are very curious to see this further incarnation of the Finzi Continis family.
It will be interesting to see both whether the opera takes one of the themes or the other, or has its own theme, because works of art manage to do what they need to do to be good in what they are doing. And I really hope that this is an opera that takes this story of Italian Jews, who are a very special people, in Ferrara, and brings it to America in yet another way, in a way that only opera can do.